we need to have a little chat. Hi guys, it's your girl AyeshaShaSha, and as you can probably tell, I am very, very excited because I can finally, after like what, 5.5 months, I can finally reveal to you some humongous news. Now, let me just take a deep breath because, sorry, I'm very emotional, okay, because this took a lot out of me, right? And we're at the final stage, and I didn't realize I was gonna get so choked up talking about this. Okay. All right, so basically, do you remember when I made these shoes, right? These super duper edible looking shoes with the chocolate bar on the back and the drizzle down the sides and the gummy bears and the sprinkles and everything. Do you remember when I made these? Right. So basically, for those of you who don't know, I got given a pair of kawaii matrix boots from Koi Footwear, and they were like, girl, and I was like, girl. And they were like, can you please redesign these boots? We'd love to see what you do with them. The theme is sprinkles. I was like, don't worry, I got you. So I made a video of me creating these said shoes, and they saw them and they were like, girl. And I was like, girl. And they were like, girl, we love them. So much so that we would love to actually sell them. And I was like, what? So what that meant was, because you can't get this kind of, you know, handmade texture, because this is a very touchy-feely kind of shoe. There's a lot of texture going on here. These are all like done with 3D paint and everything. So there's a lot of texture, a lot of movement. Because you can't get that kind of thing, you know, just made in any old factory. It has to be handmade. I have made, in total, including these, 22 pairs of these boots just for you. Ladies and gentlemen, and everybody in between, your girl has her own shoe line. What? What? officially go onto the Koi Footwear website and you can go and grab yourself a pair of, drum roll please, Sprinkies. I didn't realise I was going to be so, like, beaming right now, because the thing is that I've been beaming about this for ages. I've also been crying. I've been afraid. I've been incredibly emotional about this whole process. There have been many tears that have gone into these boots, okay? Many tears. You've been wearing my tears, okay? But we are at the end, and I'm so happy that I've managed to actually do what I thought was impossible, because initially they wanted to do 10 pairs. And then they saw the video and they're like, do you know what? Actually, no, let's go for, 20 odd. I was like, what? This is a lot. It was a humongous task. In between all of that, I'm there looking after my little one, taking him to school and back, managing my own health, which, as you know, can get real bad sometimes. I was going through a lot throughout this whole process, but I did it. And that's the main thing. I did it, and I did it all with the utmost love and affection for every single shoe. So, as I said, you can now head to the Koi Footwear website and grab yourself a pair of Sprinkies handmade by yours truly. Like literally every single thing. Gummy bears, chocolate, sprinkles, paint, everything, glitter. Like it's all like sparkly glitter. Can you even see that? Hold on, let me show you. Hold on, can you guys see the sparkly glitter? Look, that wasn't there before, okay? That wasn't there before. I had to do that all by hand, okay? Heat setting everything. It's all done by hand, and it's all done for you. You can also have a look on their website for a hidden voucher code. If you are the first one to find this voucher code, you will win yourself a £50 voucher to spend at Koi Footwear. So you can put that towards a nice pair of Sprinkies if you want to, or you can get yourself whatever you choose. But you've got to be quick, okay? Because the voucher code, once it's found, that's it, it is gone, okay? It's only one. I do want to say a few thank yous. I'd love to thank Tulip Colour Crafts, because you guys already saw that I did receive quite a lot of paints from them. Best believe a lot of it went on this, in particular the brown. So thank you so much to Tulip Crafts for that. I also want to thank Sophie and Toffee for, all of the resin that I managed to acquire, because a lot of resin went into this. So much work, you guys, so much work. I also want to thank the Crafts and Glitter Shop for the molds for the chocolate bar and for the gummy bears as well. Liz, you are a darling, and you always do look out for me with all of your wonderful molds. And if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have been able to do this. So thank you so much. Right, I am going to just take a little breather. You can go ahead and enjoy. And yeah, I would love to know if any of you managed to grab yourself a pair of Sprinkies. Incredibly limited edition. I can't stop smiling. I still can't quite believe it. I can't quite believe it, but it is what it is. I've done it. Against all odds. There were a lot of odds. Against it all, I've done it. Literally had the shoes like piled up in my front room. My house looked like it looked like a shoe factory. It really did. I've done it. I can't believe it. Right, guys, I'm off. Oh, hopefully I will be able to, return to normality fairly soon. But right now I'm up on cloud 9, so you're gonna need to just give me a minute, okay? Anyway, I'd love to hear your comments down below. Let me know what you think of my Sprinkies. And yeah, also, I, as you can tell, I love designing shoes. So let me know what other themes that you would like to see me do, and I will happily consider them for my next shoe designing video. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video and you want to be part of the Shasha squad because you are loving the vibe, then make sure that you just subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. I'm very excited. Take care, my darlings, and I will see you all soon. Bye.